So in this episode, I'll be doing something that I've been meaning to do for a while, which is tighten up the wing mirrors. So this has got kind of two elements to it, I guess. I've bought some like sequential tinted indicators from a guy called Kirk Lishman. He's on quite a lot of the sort of Facebook forums for Civics and that. So I saw them on FN2's channel and I thought those are the ones I want. They look pretty cool. So I've gone for the tinted ones because I'm going to be trying to wrap the wing mirrors black. So that's the second element of this. Can an idiot wrap his wing mirrors? We shall find out. So this is the wrap I bought. I ended up buying it off Amazon in the end. It was like, I think it was like 12 inches by 5 foot. It was like 10 quid. I was trying to buy it off actual vinyl wrap companies, but a lot of them had really bad reviews, so I thought I'll just try it for a tenner off Amazon. It had 4 out of 5 star reviews, so let's give it a go. And there is my tinted, or smoked, whatever you want to call it, sequential indicator. So yeah, the guy was great, really good communication. It came within, I think it was about 2 days later. So yeah, a very professional guy. So yeah, can't wait to get those on. going back to my question at the beginning, can idiot wrap his wing mirrors? The answer is no. Even with my trusty assistant, he must have spent about 3 hours trying to do that and then just gave up. I think we tried maybe 3 times. Could get most of it, but very last bit then it was just kind of bunching up. So apologies if you watched this thinking it would be this is how you wrap your wing mirror, because it was just me trying to figure it out myself. And yeah, it's definitely more difficult than I thought it was going to be. But at least you get to see those cool sequential indicators. They look awesome. I'm really pleased with them. And what I have actually decided now that they're on is I think I actually prefer it with the red wing mirror covers, because you've got like the nice, because you've got red and black on the wing mirrors, then you've got obviously a red car, like the gloss black handle with the gloss black fuel cap and the wind deflector and the tinted windows. So I think it kind of works quite well with the whole red black thing, I think, rather than just going black. Because I did think of just, once I'd given up with the wrap, I thought I'll just spray in black or buy some black covers. But actually I think looking at it, I quite like it with the red covers. So I think I'll probably stick with the red covers for the time being. But I will at some point try and wrap the roof and the bonnet. So hopefully, fingers crossed, they'll be a bit easier. Because it's a lot flatter, but maybe I'm just oversimplifying it. But yeah, stay tuned for that. Be a good laugh if anything else. So still, I think something like 80 or 90% of my views are from unsubscribed people. So if you're sort of sitting on the fence, please subscribe. Sorry to preach, but it means the world, and it gets the numbers up, and then maybe one day I'll be monetized and I can throw money into the channel then. So it's kind of win-win, hopefully. So yeah, thanks for watching as always. Please like and subscribe, hit the old notification bell, chuck a comment down below, and I shall see you on the next one. Cheers guys.